Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Go green. That's the name of the color on this car. This car is born as you see it. Factory colors inside and out, decked out just like this. It's a real RT, VIN number match, motor and transmission, original body panels, Arizona car. It's got a lot going for it. So you can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs. You'll see photos of the underside. All the information, pricing is on our website, along with a few hundred other collector cars to tempt you as well. So go to volocars.com. But for right now, how about I take you for a spin in a 1971 Challenger RT. Yeah, this is the factory-born color. I have photos of this car stripped down to bare metal. The whole front clip was off, the fenders, the hood. The fenders were dry stripped down to bare metal, painted inside and out. This was all bare metal. This was bare metal. You can see it's all the original panels in the picture. The car was born in Arizona, lived there for the first 22 years of its life. So we have photos to show what a clean body, original panels. The whole underside of the car was sandblasted bare, and it's also painted body color. So the underneath is like show quality as well. Has the dovetail spoiler. Tail panel looks real nice. Bumper looks rechromed. Has the correct exhaust tips. It has a fancy custom exhaust under there that sounds real nice. Speaker tray is good. Glass is real nice. And all the gaps are right on the money too. Real nice. It even came with the RT stripe, no vinyl top, chrome racing mirrors. That's how the car was born. Interior is completely restored. New door panels, all new upholstery. Fits real nice. New headliner, new carpet. The dash was sent out to Just Dashes and professionally restored. This car is even on the cover of this catalog right here. It's a rally dash car, so it has all the rally gauges in there. Real nice console. It has the chin spoilers under the front. It's a power steering car. That's an original antenna on there. And this thing has the original fender tag. The serial number is on the core support. It's on the cowl. It's on the dash. It's on the sticker on the door. It's on the engine and on the transmission. This is a numbers matching car throughout. 340 motor, runs real strong. New alternator. The whole engine bay was stripped and painted green, the body color. So that's real nice. Weatherstrips were replaced, window seals replaced, has the pop-up gas cap, slapstick shifter. So it's hard to find a car like this where stuff hasn't been changed. And find an original sheet metal car is not easy. So it's all been painted in here. Does have the jack assembly and a matte, no spare tire. Painted nice, nice weather strip. So the whole underneath, look at the pictures on our website. It's painted like this. And all the chassis, suspension, all that stuff was redone. Dome light works. Tachometer works. So if you go to volocars.com, that's how you can find ways to contact us. Our phone number, email, it's all on there. We have a whole staff of people, and our job is to sell cars. So whatever questions or concerns you have, let us know. We'll help you. We can send more pictures, more video, whatever it is you need. We can help with the financing. We can help with the shipping. I love it when a door closes real nice, and I noticed this one closed really nice. Nice thunk. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Check this one out and others. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these cars as we put the videos out there. You'll see them first. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching.